Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start your Jeep. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential items like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin. Position the assisting vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries without being stretched. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and effective jump start, ensuring a smooth process. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. This sequence is vital for proper connection. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or frame of the vehicle with the dead battery. This provides a good ground. Now, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. After this, try to start your Jeep. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a minute and try again. Once your Jeep starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface of your Jeep. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the assisting vehicle's battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, remove the red positive clamps from both batteries. Drive your Jeep for at least 15 minutes to allow the battery to recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.